In this video, I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to record your Google Slide presentations, and they're both free. As of this recording, there isn't a native way to record slides presentations within the platform, which is why I'm going to show you how to do it using other programs. Your first option is with a platform called Veed. They are a video editing platform in the cloud, but has an amazing Chrome extension to allow you to record your Chrome tab, window, or screen. So the first thing I need you to do is sign into Veed and add the Chrome extension. For easy access, both links are in the description of this video. Once you have both of these set up, you should see the little V icon up here. If you don't see that, just click on the puzzle piece here and make sure you have the extension pinned. Now go into your presentation. I've just loaded up a quick template to get started, but load up the one that you want. When you're ready, go up to the top right and click the V. From there, you can record screen, screen and camera, or just the camera. For this example, I'm just going to click on screen. When I hit record, it's going to bring up a modal that allows me to choose between the tab, the window, or the screen. In this case, I'm going to click on the presentation and share. As you can see here, it's starting up. And right now we are presenting. We can go into the presentation mode, start going through, and once you're done, stop sharing. Veed will then take it into their platform where you can hit done. And here's your video along with ways to share it and download it. Now be aware that you get up to 60 minutes of video, which is a lot to work with. If you would like, you can go into Veed or any other video editing platform and make the edits that you need to the video. Otherwise, you're ready to go. The second option is another free platform called Clipchamp. For Windows users, it's great because it's already built into the OS. Just go to your start menu, search for Clipchamp, and there you go. For Mac users, don't worry because there is a web app that you can use. Just go to clipchamp.com. Again, the link is in the description for easy access, but it gives you all the same features as the desktop version, all online. So once you're in Clipchamp, go to the record something. From there, you can record your screen and camera, your screen. They even have a text-to-speech feature, which we're not going to get into in this video. But again, I'm going to record my screen. At the bottom left, there's going to be a little record button. If I click that, you get up to 30 minutes of recording time. You click that. You can again choose the screen that you'd like. So I'm going to go and click this and start recording this particular screen. I'm now ready to record my presentation. So I go into presentation mode and here I go. I'm just going to go through my presentation, and once I'm done, I can exit out and I can stop sharing. They're then going to show you the video that you've recorded and you can save and edit. What's great is it brings you right into the timeline where you can make quick edits if you'd like. Otherwise, you can just go to the export and export into the resolution that you like. Well, there you go. 2 easy and fast ways to record Google presentations. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you in the next one.